Hi guys and welcome to today's trade analysis video for the day. So today the stock we observed was HDFC Bank. Okay, so this was a trade what I have done according to my study and the strategy. So I have short sold this around 1634 to 1633 in the morning itself around 9:25 a.m. So once I short sold, you can see here how the momentum has been for the day. Okay, so the stock has given a good target for the day. By following my study and the discipline, I have kept my target up to 10 points and the target was achieved. Okay, and this is the end of the day chart what we are seeing right now. The low made for the day is almost 1605, almost 30 points plus the stock has fell down, but for me the 10 points target was almost hit in the next 10 to 15 minutes of the day. Okay, so somewhere over here the target was done. So this was the trade what I have done today on HDFC Bank based on my unique study and the strategy. So if you guys want to learn the techniques of making consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join my personal and unique intraday trading course today. So in my course, I teach you the simple skill set to make you as a profitable trader. No complicated things and no indicators. The main goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader. And also, once you join us, you get everyday live market personal support as well. The course prices are very reasonably priced. You can go inside my channel and watch a lot of educational videos and daily live trades what I've uploaded almost from 7 years plus. And if you guys wish to learn from me, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me personally and to discuss with me. And also guys, today in the Nifty 50 there was a lot of volatility. This is because today was a union budget day. There was a lot of news and a lot of events. So as you guys can see here, today this is how the Nifty 50 opened. So it was a bit of a bullish opening, 0.24% up. Advances stocks were 33, declines were 10, and unchanged were 7 stocks. So 24568 is where the market opened today. But later you can see how volatile the market was. So from there the market has come down. So almost from 24476, you can see the low made for the day is 24076, almost 400 points it fell in one single 15 minutes candle. Okay, and later you can see how the recovery has been from 2407, from 24,075. From there the market has retraced today and it has recovered. Okay, so it has gone up from here and it has closed above one of a key support level, that is 24476, and today the market has closed exactly around one of a key support level which is 24479 by recovering its loss. So this is how the volatile was today in the Nifty 50 market. And yes, today the market was very much with a faster kind of movements. So this is how the market has performed for the day. But anyway, by following the study and the discipline and the strategy, I have done a HDFC Bank trade for the day. So if you have a good trading strategy and you are sticking to the strategy and the setup, however the market will perform, you will be able to make a right trade is what I guess. Okay, so you need to have a good study and the strategy, and if it is accurate, you can make good trades. Okay, so if you want to learn from me all these things in depth and in detail, you can join us today by messaging me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen and by getting in touch with me. So I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.